everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make cookie house. I went shopping with my daughter and she asked me to buy cookie house kit. The things inside this box was pretty much the things that we had at home. So which means this kit is not necessary. So if you live overseas and if you can't get this kit, I will share with you the recipe in the description box, so please check it out. It was pretty simple. Of course, this video is not sponsored. It was pretty fun making from scratch and satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. I have more Christmas recipes. I have a playlist on my channel, so please check it out. Here are the ingredients. Divide 1 egg into 20 grams and 30 grams. Cream the butter in a bowl with a whisk. Add granulated sugar and mix until white and creamy. Add 20 grams of egg and mix well. Add flour and with a spatula cut through the dough to mix well. Then form it into a bowl with your hands. To make matcha dough, separate 40 grams and mix in half teaspoon of matcha powder. Roll out the dough in between 2 layers of plastic wrap. Put in the fridge for at least an hour to set and chill. Cut out the pattern paper of the cookie house. You can draw on your own or download from online. Then cut out the dough using the patterns. Make the base of the house using the leftover dough. Brush the egg before baking to give them a shiny golden brown finish. Bake in the oven for about 15 minutes. Cool the cookies on the baking sheet. Now separate 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar and set aside. For the snow, mix powdered sugar and 15 grams of egg white. Transfer it into a piping bag and snip off the end. Decorate the roofs, walls, and chimney, and put some sugar sprinkles. Glue the cookies together with icing to build the house. Just with powdered sugar to finish.
あんまかけると見えなくなっちゃうからちょうどいいぐらいに。
おばさん、期限もかけてあなた食べていい？
それ作ったやつじゃないよ。
でっかいよ。
もでいいじゃん。
私が食べたくやめてあげる。
どうですか？
じゃあ僕は何もない。これ部会するから僕これやりたい。おい1枚目。
どうですか？
おいしい。